Hi, this is one of the homework problems in section 11.3. I believe it's the last one in this section. It's number 9. I just wrote it down because honestly I ran out of paper, so I just wrote it down over here to the right. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have it in the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I first applied the distributive property here, multiplied these both by x, and I brought the 6 over. Okay, so now it's in the correct form. Now I want to identify A, B, and C. There's a hard copy of this in Canvas, by the way. Okay, so my A is 5, my B is -4, I'm sorry, it's +4, and my C is 6. So here's a quadratic formula. So it's -b minus 4 plus or minus b squared minus 4 times A times C all over 2 times A. Okay, so inside the radical, 4 squared is 16, 4 times 5 times 6 is 120, and 2 times 5 gives me 10. So now just working inside the radical, if I subtract these two, I get -104. So it's the square of a negative number, so I'm going to put I times the square root of 104. And then 104, a perfect square that goes inside that is 4, so 4 times 26 gives me 104. And the square root of 4 gives me 2. Okay, let me move this page up here. Okay. Whenever you have a complex solution, you always want to separate these two, the real part from the imaginary part. So I took this over 10, and then my plus or minus, and then this one over 10. And then you want to reduce. So 2 goes in here 2 times, and 2 goes in here 5 times. That's this part right here. Same thing here. 2 goes into here once, and it goes in here 5 times. So my two answers are -2/3 minus this times I, and then plus.